Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. In previous videos, we see the organic reagent, which is the most important for the organic chemistry part, because all the reactions of organic chemistry based on the organic reagent. So organic reagent is the most important part for the any exams like 12th Science, BSc, MSc or any competitive exam like IIT, JEE, NEET or CSIR, NET, SET exam. So today we are going to start a new reagent, that is DDQ reagent. In previous lectures we see the reagents LiAlH4, that is reducing agent, again Raney nickel, DCC, and today we are going to start DDQ reagent. If you not see this reagent, you can go on channel and see the videos on the reagent. So today we are going to start DDQ reagent. DDQ reagent, this is the short form. So full form of this 2,3-dichloro-5,6 dicyano-1,4-benzoquinone. So the name of this reagent, that is 2,3-dichloro-5,6 dicyano-1,4-benzoquinone. So it is most important quinone used for dehydrogenating compounds. So this is dehydrogenating reagent, and which is used for dehydrogenating compound which are difficult to dehydrogenate. The compounds which are difficult to dehydrogenate, this can be easily dehydrogenate by using DDQ as reagent. So it decomposes in aqueous condition. So DDQ is decomposes in aqueous condition. So it is used in anhydrous condition. So the reagent is used in anhydrous condition in presence of inert solvent like benzene, toluene or THF. So DDQ is used in inert solvent like benzene, toluene or THF, because in aqueous condition it decomposes. So its decomposition takes place. So it is used in anhydrous condition. So quinone, in presence of HCN, ETOH and H plus, we get this intermediate, that is compound first, which on oxidation we get compound second. Again on chlorination we get Cl, which can be, again on chlorination we get third compound, then compound 4, and which is finally we get, that is DDQ reagent, which is 2,3-dichloro, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,3-dichloro 5,6 dicyano, that is cyano group here, dicyano 1 and 4 position benzoquinone, 1,4-benzoquinone. So this is the name came from D, that is D, and dicyano again D, and quinone, that is Q. So the name is DDQ. DDQ, which is used as dehydrogenating reagent, and the compound which are difficult to dehydrogenated can be easily dehydrogenated by using DDQ as a reagent. So this was the preparation of DDQ. So we see here the examples of the DDQ reagent. First is the aromatization. Here aromatization can be easily takes place by using DDQ. So this is the tetraline which can be reacted with DDQ and dehydrogenation takes place and we get naphthalene. And we all know that naphthalene is a aromatic compound, so the reaction is called as aromatization reaction, because in presence of DDQ, tetraline gives us naphthalene, which is aromatic compound, and here the reaction takes place is dehydrogenation and the product gives naphthalene. So second is the preparation of salt containing stable aromatic compound. That is salt, preparation of salt which is gives stable aromatic cation. Stable aromatic cation. Stable aromatic cation. Aromatic cation. Here triphenyl cyclopropene. Here phenyl groups are 3 and the ring is cyclopropane ring and one double bond here. So triphenyl cyclopropene. Triphenyl cyclopropene. Triphenyl cyclopropene. So name comes from 3 phenyl rings and this is the ring is cyclopropane ring and one double bond. So that is alkene, that is propene, and cyclic compound, that is cyclopropene, tricyclopropene. When reacted with DDQ in presence of HClO4 and ACOH, we get the triphenyl cyclopropenyl perchlorate ion. Triphenyl cyclopropenyl perchlorate ion, that is cationic salt, and when positive and negative charge are on the compound, same compound, so we call it as salt. We called it as salt because here salt formation takes place. Here cyclopropyl, triphenyl cyclopropenyl cation and ClO4 minus anion, and this whole compound is called as triphenyl cyclopropenyl perchlorate. Again, the third application is oxidative cyclization. Third application is oxidative cyclization. So here DDQ is especially useful in cyclohydrogenation of phenolic and carboxylic acids. So DDQ is most important and useful for the cyclodehydrogenation. In cyclic compound, for the dehydrogenation, DDQ is most important and it is widely used as a dehydrogenating agent. So when we reacted this compound with DDQ, So dehydrogenation takes place and we get this as a product. So DDQ is most important reagent for the dehydrogenation of the compound, and the applications are aromatization, again preparation of salts containing stable aromatic cation, oxidative cyclization, that is in cyclodehydrogenation of phenolic and carboxylic acid takes place, again oxidations of phenol, DDQ oxidize phenol to give the another product like and dimeric compound formed by either carbon-carbon bond or carbon-oxygen coupling. So these are the applications of DDQ. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on organic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry. Thank you for watching.